Hi guys, in this video I'm going to test this 70 mAh USB power bank jump starter, see whether or not it can actually start a dead car. A car with a dead battery. So my car battery, due to the COVID-19 that we have to stay at home, I haven't been driving my car, and now my battery is dead. Okay, let me show you. Off. The gears in park, nothing. Foot on the brake. Now starting the car. The car can't start. Okay, dead. So now let's go and test this thing out. Let me take out the parts. Okay. If you want to know a bit more about this product, I have another video which I will share the link. So here you can see my car. There's nothing done to it. Everything is as is. Touch, go to start. Now let me connect this. Now to connect this, so it's simple. You can't go wrong. You can see there's big and a small connector. So there's only one way you can go to connect. Let's connect this up. Now this device claims you can start for gasoline cars up to 4 liters engines, and for diesel up to 2 liters. So now, okay. I guess let me start by connecting it the wrong way, because this one has a built-in protection. Right, so let's just see how that works. This is the negative, the ground. This is positive. So it's connected wrong. And this. See. Oh, there. It beeps to alarm that you know it's wrong, and there's a red light. See, it's wrong. It's smart, so it's safe. So for people who do not know, this is safe. Now let's connect it the proper way. This is the positive. This is negative. Oh wait, the steady green light means it's ready. Okay, let's go. Now in this, I'm going to show you a wide angle view that you can see there's no tampering going on with the car. Now I'm ready to start. Unbelievable. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by 70 mAh or Xiaomi. The 70 mAh is a brand by Xiaomi, and I'm not sponsored by them in any way. But of course, Xiaomi, 70 mAh, if you want to sponsor me to review any of your products, okay, I'm happy. So that's it, guys. The car starts.